A for kite. L for ball. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Okay, good. Q for fish. R for rose. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for extra. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Okay, very good. Okay, apple. Apple. A for apple. B for bear. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for girl. H for man. Okay, wait. Apple. I for ice cream.
મોટી મોટી